In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can update your NVIDIA driver. Okay, for the first step, you type in the internet NVIDIA drivers, and here you come to the official site from NVIDIA, download the official NVIDIA drivers. So you click on that, and here you can type in your product which you have. Okay, if you don't know your graphic card, no problem. We go into the search bar, go on Device Manager, and here we have display adapters, and this is your graphic card. Okay, and then we can type in this, and it will search for products for us. So and then we can look. After you have put in all information, we go on find, and then it will search automatically for the newest driver. So, and then we can download here the driver, or what we can also do is we can go on all game drivers, and then we have this here. But we can go on view, and then here we can download the newest driver, or we can download the NVIDIA app, and here we get automatic driver update. So we can click on this and can download the app, and here in the app you can click on driver, and then you have always the newest driver for your graphic card. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot, and then see you next time.